Hey, what's up everyone? We're gonna be cooking some pares today.
Argentron.
So it's already been mixed, but we're still gonna shoot it. So here's what we have so far. Right, this is our pares. We've got I see some ginger, I see some bay leaves, garlic,
Onion.
onions, soy sauce,
uh,
and what else do we have?
Brown sugar,
Oh yeah, that's brown sugar.
and soy sauce,
Yeah, what?
and cooking rice
And
wine.
cooking rice wine. So
No,
what kind of soy sauce did you use?
silver swan.
Silver Swan soy sauce.
Meron pa kulang yun.
Okay.
Chicken stock pa.
And we're gonna be adding some chicken stock. And the meat, of course, is what kind of meat did we use?
Beef.
And it's cube, right?
Yeah.
Cube beef for pares. Oh, and guys, forgot about that. This is star anise. You just add one. That's
yan.
enough. Sorry, you just add three. So I only see one, but there are
Kung gusto
three
nila
in
ng
there.
lasa ng mas star anise, magdagdag pa sila. Pero ako kasi, okay.
Star anise has a very strong flavor, so you might not need to add a lot of this. So we added three here. Alright, so that's the pares that we will be cooking. And if you guys are not familiar with pares, it's like a beef stew here in the Philippines. And it's very popular in the street, and one of the most popular pares sellers in the Philippines here in Manila is, what's the name of that store?
Retiro Pares.
Retiro Pares, and it's found, of course, in Retiro, right?
Loma Retiro.
La Loma, Retiro. That's the most popular. Everyone goes there. It's supposed to be the best Pares place in Metro Manila. Have you eaten there, Yana? Have you eaten Pares from Retiro?
Take out na.
Hey, she said no, but she doesn't remember. She's already eaten Pares from that place because we ordered some a while ago. But here, let me show you what's happening now. That's chicken cubes, right? Why use chicken cubes when you use beef?
Sabi ni Chef.
Chef who?
Chef, ano ba yun? Yung sa simple.
Oh, Simple. Shout out. Shout out to Simple Channel. Anyway, thank you for that advice. So we're using chicken bouillon for our beef pares. So I think that adds to the flavor, to the savoriness of the dish. Because if you use beef on beef, I mean, that's kind of redundant. We already have beef and then we're gonna add beef flavor. So I think a little bit of chicken flavor will do the trick on giving it a nice flavor. Okay, that's the chicken stock being added to our beef pares. Well, it's not really chicken stock. It's chicken bouillon
Yeah, wala akong chicken.
dissolved in water. So mix it a little. So how much beef is this? I mean,
1 kilo.
1 kilo. 1 kilo beef, cube beef for pares. So if you're gonna buy, just ask for beef for pares. Why is it called pares?
Ano yun? Kapares niya dapat is fried rice.
Oh, I see. Now I know. So the reason why it's called pares is because this dish is always paired with fried rice. And of course, if you got fried rice, you have to have that sabaw, hot sabaw, fatty sabaw, and of course the chili. You must always have chili if you're eating pares, and hot sabaw. But am I spaghetti? This is not spaghetti. We're cooking pares, beef pares. You're craving for spaghetti, right? Mhm. What kind of dance is that? Yes, and we actually added a secret ingredient which makes this dish a lot more flavorful. Not everyone adds this ingredient, but we're gonna tell you what this ingredient is. You wanna know? Tell them. What? Oh, it's Ajinomoto. This isn't promoted, so it's not sponsored, but we use Ajinomoto. Just a little bit. You only need just a little bit of Ajinomoto to bring out the best in your dish. So you can look for it online, research about Ajinomoto, and it's a very good product from a very reputable Japanese company. Yes, it's Japanese for that umami taste. Okay, so this is a pressure cooker actually.
Para mabilis.
Yes, we're using a pressure cooker so that our pares will cook much quicker. Quick. What am I saying? Much more quickly. No, we're not cooking quick. We're cooking pares. So how long will this take if we're going to use a pressure cooker?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. So the pares will be cooking for 30 minutes in our pressure cooker. If you don't have a pressure cooker, it can take up to how long?
2 hours or more, depends sa beef.
So if you're not using a pressure cooker like this one, it might take some 2 hours, maybe even 3. Yes, if you have bought some really tough beef, it's gonna take that long. So we suggest that you use a pressure cooker. Do you hear that? That's the sound of pares cooking inside the pressure cooker. Oh, the flame is off. And there's no more pressure, but I still hear some hissing sound. And so it's depressurizing. So I think this is ready. So when we open this, I think it's gonna be darker looking and it's more saucy. So here we go, letting out some steam. So that's how dangerous it is. Don't touch it with your hands. Don't remove it. Just let it steam out a bit, slowly. That's the way to do it. Oh look, I can see the juices. It's come out of the steam vent. Get ready to open. There you go. Oh, look at that. It's so juicy. And I can smell it already. All the ingredients. So very nice. So, it's ready to eat?
Taste it first. Wala akong fried rice.
It's okay. We don't have fried rice. It's okay.
Fried
Okay.
rice.
Yeah. That's really good. It's got that soy sauce flavor. It's the saltiness and the flavor of the herbs. It's very good. I can't wait to eat it with chili. So this is our first. And here is the pares, the Filipino pares. There you go. Smells so good. That sweet soy sauce smell. Okay, so we have our pares. And of course, if we have pares, we have to have our chili sauce. But then
We don't.
it's almost empty. And we need some oil. So what I'm gonna do
No, you don't.
is get chili here, put it in a small bowl, and this is actually chicken oil. Not sure if it's authentic chicken oil, but I'm gonna use it. It's still oil.
No, it's
And
not.
add it to our chili flakes. Okay. And then we mix it.
You're weird.
And there you go. We have our chili for our pares.
Aren't you eating it with what's it called?
Yes.
sauce.
If we have pares, we always have to eat it with chili.
No, you don't.
Of course I do. Okay, let's eat.
This is mashed now.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna use this spoon because it already has chili. Now to eat pares, this is how I eat pares. First, I put a chunk of meat on top, including the sauce.
Which I don't do.
You don't have to eat this way, but this is how I eat. And then, I add
You
chili.
literally switched your.
Yeah. There. Then I add more.
Wait, why do you have 2 spoons?
Exactly, that's why this spoon is over here.
I'm just.
Okay. See how soft that is? Okay, I'm gonna take a spoonful of the meat and the sauce and rice with the chili. Mmm. Oh look.
Wait.
Mmm. It's so good. Especially with the chili. Now, this might not be fried rice because traditionally, pares is eaten with fried rice. But personally, I prefer steamed rice. And this is perfect. The only thing missing is the sabaw, the soup. Because we don't have it. But if you don't have sabaw, you can use beef bouillon cubes. That's okay. You can put in a little bit of fat like olive oil or maybe corn oil. That's it. Mmm. Perfect. So I hope you like this video about cooking pares, and see you around for the next food episode.
Arkansas.